This problem given in GATE 2014 session 2 EC paper. The problem statement given as for the 8085 microprocessor, the interfacing circuit to the 8-bit digital data DI0 to DI7 from the external device is shown in the figure. The instruction for the correct data transfer is. The information related to this memory mapping can be found in this following NPTEL lecture, Microprocessor and Microcontrollers course taught by Professor Santanu Chattopadhyaya from IIT Kharagpur. So in the above circuit, a 3x8 decoder is given. So first we will understand the operation of 3x8 decoder. So this is the truth table for the 3x8 active low decoder. For the input combination A equals to 0, B equals to 0, C equals to 0, only the output Y will be 0 and the remaining all outputs are at logic 1. For the input combination 0, 0, 0, 1, only the output Y2 will be 0 and the remaining all outputs are 1. Similarly, for this input combination 0, 1, 0, the output Y2 will be logic 0 and the remaining all outputs will be 1. Similarly, when all the inputs are logic 1, the Y7 output will be logic 0 and the remaining all outputs are 1. So this is the operation of 3x8 decoder. Here some information is coming from this input and we need to get the data into data bus. So to select this IO interface, this DS2 selection input will be logic 1 and this DS1 complement selection input should be logic 0. So to get this DS2 is logic 1, that means this A8 equals to 0 and A9 equals to 0, A1, A10 equals to 0 and this A11 equals to 1, A12 equals to 1, A13 equals to 1, A14 equals to 1, A15 equals to 1. For this input combination only, this output of AND gate will be logic 1. From here, A15, A14, A13, A12, A11, A10, A9, A8. So A15 to A11 is logic 1 and A8, A9, A10 is logic 0. Similarly, to get logic 0 here, A2 equals to 0, A1 equals to 0, A0 equals to 0. When all these inputs 0, then only at this pin the output will be logic 0 and the remaining all outputs are logic 1. Okay. Similarly, this is the enable input for 3x8 decoder. So to enable this 3x8 decoder, this signal will be logic 1. So to make this value logic 1, all these values should be 1. So because this is an AND gate output will be 1 when all the inputs are at logic. That means, so from this, so A2, A1, A0 is logic 0s and A3 to A7 is logic 1. So from this, what is the address? So this I can written as F8 and this is F and this is 8 because A3 is 1. Okay. So this IO device can also be treated as a memory location. So I can use this LDA accumulator, load accumulator from this memory location F8, F8. Then the inputs, digital input data will be transferred onto this data bus D0 to D7. So option D is